Fuel line install, flow secured. Initiating final connections for the avionics suite. Powering up the core systems now. Running diagnostics, all systems green, cockpit electronics are fully operational. Pressure is holding, ready to verify movement.
Confirmed. Initiating test sequence.
Extension looks good, retract it.
Retraction complete. All systems nominal.
Excellent. Test passed. Uploading the core software package now. Intelligence module syncing with sensors. Diagnostics complete. All systems green. Aircraft is now fully integrated. 70 ready for finishing. Exterior phase starts.